Easter baskets! Yay! Oh my god, I just love this basket. It's so adorable. I wonder if all the little bunnies made it for us. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, Easter. It's like the beginning of spring and new beginnings, and everyone is Twitter painted, and I just love it. Oh, I wonder if the Easter bunny hid eggs for us outside so we could do an egg hunt. Eee! Oh my goodness. I remember this one time when I was a little girl, the Easter bunny got me all of my favorite nail polish colors and gel pens. Oh, it was the best Easter ever. I was like, how did he know that? How did he know? The Easter bunny is just like so smart and so intelligent and so big and fluffy. Oh, I wonder if he got his Easter bunny ears too. Ah!
Wait, Shay, you do know it was I'm the one who filled these baskets full of stuff, right?
You mean that the bunny, he's not real?
Hey, Shay, it's okay. Hey, how about I make you a nice Easter-themed cocktail?
Easter cocktail?
Yeah, something like just delicious and just nice, perfect, refreshing for the day. Yeah? Okay. Great. Awesome. Wait, who do you think put the presents under the tree during Christmas?
Happy Easter!
Welcome everybody to Bevs and Games. I'm Christoph.
I'm Shay.
And today we are making a delightful cocktail.
What is it?
So, this is something new and fanciful. It's a lavender, pineapple, sage gimlet. Yeah. Fancy. So, a standard gimlet is you usually have gin and lime juice. You can have a lot of variations on that. And so, some quick things that I've done. And you don't have to do this. The basic recipe for this would just be gin, you want some pineapple juice, some lime juice, and simple syrup, standard simple syrup, and sage. That is the standard like pineapple sage one that I found online, but I decided to twist it up a little bit. And so I infused some Bombay Sapphire gin with lavender for about 3 days. And then I also got a lot of lavender here now. For some reason, we keep buying more because we think we don't have enough. And then I made lavender simple syrup as well, which is similar standard simple syrup, cup of sugar, cup of water, heat it up, boiled it, and then you just put some lavender in there and let it sit for a little over an hour. That's great. All right, so let's get to it. So it's a very simple recipe. You don't have to get crazy fancy with these infused things, but you can if you want. It's more fun. Okay, so very simple. 2 ounces, 1 ounce, 1 ounce and a half ounce. So that's what we're doing today. So we've got let's put our ice in our shaker. This will be a stirred drink, so stirred. So we've got first our 2 ounces of gin. Like I said, this is lavender gin.
Ooh, I can smell it.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Oh, yeah. Now, you can use pineapple juice, lime juice, whatever style you want. I bought some pineapple, so I juiced some pineapple. So we're gonna have real fresh stuff. Okay. So this will be 1 ounce. And so pineapple's pretty fun to work with. I've been recently adding them to the bar. Actually made the painkiller inside of a pineapple, which is very fun. And an ounce of lime juice. Yes. No, we're not.
Okay.
And then a half ounce of this delightful lavender
So
syrup. So
pretty.
just a half ounce.
Okay, that's
Awesome. Put that in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and get a sage leaf. Yeah, I get 2. Let's go nuts. We got a whole ton. Why not? All right. And then go ahead and slap them. Nice. And then go ahead and put them inside. So slapping, if you ever have like mojitos or style of drinks that have like leaves in them, you can muddle them, but I don't like the little bits that they turn into. So if you slap things, they actually, if you slap leaves, they get that great quality from mint or sage. No bits sticking in it.
You didn't say you stirred this, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, please.
Okay.
Okay. Should be great. Good job licking the spoon. All right, so let's go ahead and strain that. And then delicious.
So good.
And for a little ears are touching. And for a nice garnish. Okay, that's your pineapple. All right, I'm gonna do here. Cut in half. So make it. Put that right down there in the middle.
So cute.
Yeah. All right. Let's give it a shot.
Okay.
See what you think. On your nose.
Mm-hmm. Wow. That's really nice.
Yeah.
It's not like too fruity with pineapple. I think the lavender
really
balances it out.
So something to think about. The standard recipe, which I also have. But yeah, it might be quite pineapple.
Mm-hmm. That's great.
Now, for this recipe as well, if you want, you can make it, for like Easter Day or any day really. You can make this a big batch. If you really like pineapple, what you can do is get chunks of pineapple, make a big pitcher, just do all this, times it by 8 or 10, so 2, 1.5. Make it into a pitcher and then put chunks of pineapple in that pitcher. And those chunks of pineapple soak up that. Like really
like
delicious. Exactly. But that's our drink. So a lavender pineapple sage gimlet.
That's an mouthful,
delicious.
But pretty easy to make.
That's a great mouthful.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Here's. If you like the video, like the content here that we put out, go ahead, like, subscribe, share it with friends, enemies, whoever. Everybody likes a good comment. And go ahead, I've got a lot of content on my Twitch as well, so devs and so thanks everyone for watching. Hope you guys love these videos because we have fun making them.
Fun. Yes. Thank you for watching.
Enjoy spring!
Enjoy spring!
All right. Thanks everyone. Take care.